All right, we're going to start with our visual drill. And what I would like you to do is say the sound that you see. Not the letter, but the sound. And make sure you say it crisp and clear. Okay, you can start.
D. P. R. T. J. G. I. Ch.
Very good. Next, we're going to do our auditory drill. And we're going to be using our sandboard. I'm going to say fingers up, and then I'm going to give you a letter sound, and then I'm going to say ready, right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, fingers up. K. Ready, right.
C.
Fingers up. D. Ready, right.
D. D.
Fingers up. G. Ready, right.
G. G.
Fingers up. Ready, right.
H.
Fingers up. J. Ready, right.
J. J.
Fingers up. L. Ready, right.
L. L.
Fingers up. M. Ready, right.
M. M.
Fingers up. N. Ready, right.
M. M.
Fingers up. P. Ready, right.
P.
Fingers up. R. Ready, right.
R. R.
Finger up. S. Ready, right.
S.
Finger up. T. Ready, right.
T.
Very good. Last drill that we're going to do is our blending drill. And these are the cards. I want you to point to each sound and say, also, I'm going to say fingers up, ready, read. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
D. N. Do. R. N. Run. R. P. Rup. R. T. Rut. R. T. Rot. J. T. Jot. M. T. Mot. M. Ma. M. Ch. Moch. S. Ch. Such. S. J. Such. S. O. Cell. S. O. Sill.
All right, very good.